Hey, Anantians, Trailblazers, honorary members, rank holders, Founders 100, welcome to episode 4 of the Trailblazers Ladder. This one is called The Power of Becoming Unstoppable. Just think about that phrase for a second or three. The power of becoming unstoppable. We have done Identity Invisible, the law. Tonight we're doing the power of becoming unstoppable. And just to let you know, there is still 16 left. Now, number 8, number 13, and number 60. Oh, all of them. Oh, I'm so excited to be sharing this kind of stuff. So let's go. Trailblazers Ladder number 4, the power of becoming unstoppable. The world doesn't reward those who never fail. It rewards those who never stay down. The world doesn't reward. Think about that. So let me ask you something. What would happen to your business if nobody joined this week? Would you stop? If someone criticized you, would you stop? If your best leader quit tomorrow, would you stop? If you had 10 no's today, would you stop? Because here's the truth. Every diamond eventually learns, and I keep on hammering on diamond. The toughest job is to go diamond, and then your job is to create diamonds. That is how you build it. Success doesn't belong to the most talented. It belongs to the people who become impossible to stop. Tonight is not about becoming stronger. It is becoming unstoppable. Think about that. So every great story includes a resistance. Think about every great movie you've ever watched. The hero, at the end of the day, always faces resistance. It's got storms, enemies, failures, loss, fear, because without resistance, there is no transformation. Without struggle, there is no strength. And if you feel at this moment that your business is not going the way it needs to go, I'm here to say congratulations. I'm going to say that again. If you feel at this moment that your business is struggling and it's difficult, I'm here tonight to say congratulations, because you are exactly where you need to be formed into the leader you need to become. Diamond thinks differently. Average people ask, why is this happening to me? Trailblazers ask, what is this teaching me? This week I don't feel well. My business is not going. So what have I learned? Oh, I haven't reached out every day. Oh, I didn't do enough follow-ups. Oh, I didn't, maybe I didn't, attended a presentation. That's what we learn. One question creates victims. The other creates leaders. Problems are not interruptions. I'm going to say that again. Problems, challenges are not interruptions. They are part of the training, and every obstacle is preparing you for people who will one day need your experience. Stop counting your rejections. Most people count every single no. Successful leaders count every lesson. A rejection is not evidence that you are failing. It is evidence that you are working. If somebody is not getting rejected, it means they are not moving. Nobody reaches diamond without hearing the following phrases. No, not interested. I'll think about it. I don't have time. I've tried something before. Every one of those responses is simply another repetition in your leadership gym. Rejection builds emotional muscle. How do you become bulletproof? You need to actually be able to be in the way of a bullet. Now, not, theoretically, not really. Please don't go jump in front of a gun. I'm talking about the emotional bullets. If they don't hit you, you're not going to know how to stop them. Pressure creates diamonds. There's a reason diamonds are valuable. They are created under immense pressure. Gold is refined in fire. Steel is strengthened in heat, and leaders are built in adversity. So please, please, please stop asking life to remove the pressure. Instead, ask, help me become the person this pressure is creating. Pressure doesn't destroy great, legendary, legacy-building leaders. It reveals them. Emotional consistency is a superpower. We're all heroes, eh? Anyone can work from where they're excited. Anyone can smile when everything goes well. Trailblazers learn something different. We continue. Even if we're tired, we're disappointed, we feel invisible, and nobody applauds us. The greatest advantage in business isn't intelligence, it is emotional stability. I call that bulletproofness. The ability to stay focused regardless of circumstances. Become bigger than your excuses. Every excuse sounds reasonable. People are busy. It's winter, the economy, people aren't interested. I'll start next week. The cat got babies. The grass is long. I've got to cut the grass, whatever. But every excuse costs your future. The successful people don't have fewer excuses. They simply refuse to negotiate with them. Being 8 o'clock in front of the screen for a growth room is not negotiable to me. Being here on a Tuesday and a Thursday, even if I'm presenting or not, is not negotiable unless, there's really a challenge, technical, like we've had, I think, 3 times. But I'm still there. I'm prepared to be there. Every morning, we can choose 2 things. We can choose comfort or we can choose growth. Comfort always wins today. Growth always wins tomorrow. Momentum is protected daily. Momentum isn't built by huge days. It is protected by 1 invitation, 1 follow-up, 1 presentation, 1 new message, 1 encouragement, phone call, SMS, WhatsApp, 1 lesson, 1 decision, 1 action. Never underestimate the power of refusing to break your streak. I'm going to contact 1 person a day, for example. Doesn't matter if it's 8 o'clock, 10 o'clock, 12 o'clock, 12 o'clock tonight, 3 o'clock tomorrow morning. If you refuse to break your streak, unstoppable people protect momentum at all costs. I'm going to say that again. Unstoppable people protect momentum at all costs. There's this debatable thing, is water or fire the best or the biggest, blah, 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 blah. Now, there's one that says, what happens when a immovable object that cannot be moved collides with an unstoppable force? What happens? Now, people say a lot of friction, there might be fire, some sparks. Yes, here's my philosophy. Just push harder. Anyway, the world is waiting for your story, ladies and gentlemen. Imagine quitting today. Imagine the people you'd have never met, lives you would have never changed, the leaders you would have never developed, and the families you would have never helped. Somebody's future depends on your decision not to quit. You might not know them now, but trust me, they are waiting for us. Anatex different. Anatex isn't simply a business, it is a training ground. Every Zoom, every growth room, every Trailblazer session, every challenge, every system, every leader is slowly building something much greater than income. It's building people who refuse to quit, because unstoppable people build unstoppable organizations. Kind of in closing, I call it a story. Imagine a river. If you place a rock in a river, does the river stop? No. It flows around it. There's another obstacle, a tree stump, I don't know, whatever. What does the water do? It finds another route. It doesn't argue, it doesn't complain, it simply continues. And eventually, rivers shapes mountains, not because it's stronger than rock, but because it refuses to stop flowing. Now that is leadership. That is persistence, and that is becoming unstoppable. When you refuse to stop moving, doesn't matter what happens, and it will happen. Power, water, electricity, airtime, data, laptops, cell phones, people, screaming, work, life, kids, cats, dogs, it will happen. But if you decide not to stop moving, you are unstoppable. Here's your challenge tonight. And promise yourself that you'll become more talented. Listen carefully. I'm not saying don't grow. We will grow. But we don't have to focus so hard on becoming better. We just promise yourself one thing, that you will become harder to stop. When others slow down, you move. When others wait, you move. When others don't pitch, you move. When others don't rock up to the presentations, we move. And when others complain, we're going to keep on building. When others quit, we're going to keep on believing, because eventually the person who refuses to stop runs out of competition. There's nobody that can catch you. Trailblazers declaration. I have to do this. Now, please, I'm going to say it. If you can, read it on the screen for yourself. If you're driving, please don't. So I'm going to obviously read it for yourself. Here is my week now, or episode number 4, being unstoppable declaration. Not a self-talk. This is a declaration to me. I refuse to be controlled by fear. I refuse to be defined by rejection. I refuse to allow temporary setbacks to create permanent decisions. Pressure will strengthen me. Challenges will teach me. Failure will refine me. Every obstacle will become another step in my journey. I will protect my momentum. I will honor my commitments. I will continue when others become comfortable. Because I understand that success belongs to those who simply refuse to stop. I am stronger than my excuses, greater than my circumstances, bigger than my fears. I am not waiting for perfect conditions. I create momentum wherever I go. I create momentum wherever I stand. I create momentum wherever I move. I am an Ananta X trailblazer. I am becoming unstoppable, and nothing will stop the leader that I am becoming. I think this was a very, very powerful session for those that needs to hear it. I'm going to stop this. I want to do another one. It's called Let's Find the X, something I thought of. I think it's going to be lots of fun, but very, very, very valuable. Ladies and gentlemen, this is X. Welcome to your future.